Ka Sarkar Meghalaya bat Assam kilarai ban thung da ka joint committee ka ban khmi ya ki kam ki bala penpau da ka Assam persya ya ka jingtrai kam jong ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM. Haba mentib ya keneh ne kesngi mentirang ba konrad ke sang mau laong ba mentirang ba ka Assam bat mau kilarai ha ka jingkren ba banbu ya ka joint committee ka berit ha ka ba ki officer na baro ar talikin ya danlang parkin khmi ya baro ki benta ki bala penpau ya ka jing sngiu khia da ka Assam la ban kedeu hang ne nang shen mentirang ba ka Assam himenta Bishwa Sharma la keno ya ka USTM ba ka dei ka daw ba Halor ka jing slei jong kanong ba ka wati ula keno ba ka jing pom ding pathar bat mait pathar ki lom ki wa USTM kalawan ra ya kene ka jing slei ka ba ulaong ba ka dei ka flood jihad ala kene konrad ulaong ba ki chief secretary jong ki atli ki la ya kren pan pen bet pen biang ya baro ki jing don kam ha ka bantung ya kene committee haba kali mentirang ba ula pentip ba ka sarkar kalayo pdiang ya ka jing tho na Assam hadin ka jing kren bat mentirang ba ka Assam.
Number one, Assam CM and myself have decided on a verbal conversation that we will be putting up a small joint committee where officials from both the states will be there and we'll look into all the aspects of the different concerns that have been raised by Assam and others. And in that, we will take up the other matters also. Both the chief secretaries are in touch to formalize the formation of this committee where, as I said, officials from both the states will be there. And all these concerns will be taken up and we are hopeful that we'll be able to resolve most of the issues there.
By when is it?
Well, we received, after my discussion, we have received official communication in the last, I think, about 3-4 days' time, at the beginning of this week or last week, I can't remember. And we're hopeful that maybe within a week's time, this committee should be